Hi, I'm Phil,
Hi, I'm Hilary.
and this is our off-grid home in Tokoroa. We've been here, 3.5 years? We were living in Tauru, which is 20 minutes down the road. I leased 4 acres, had a couple of sheep, horses, and it just wasn't big enough. So, and we knew we wanted to buy a place that suited us, eh? So we started looking, and we looked at 2 places. One was too big, too much. The other one was too small. And then he says, oh, there's a place down the end of the road. Do you want to have a look at it? We went, well, yeah, okay. We looked at it and we went, yeah. It wasn't a flat, it wasn't boring. He drove around it, the fences were in a bit of a mess, but it's not a boring block.
We could see the potential
yeah.
right from the beginning.
The reason why we went off grid is we don't want a power bill. We don't want to be relying on other people, other power sources.
So you've been on quite a big journey over the last few years on this whole project. What's been your best moment?
Probably getting the tui in. Now that we've got power here, we've got deep freeze. You know, like we've got mutton out there and we can't even put it in until we had power. So I would say it would be the tui nest that's really done it.
So now that we've got a whole brand new solar system, thanks to GridFree, we are going to see a revolution of our lives, quite frankly. Instead of being so economical and sparing with our power usage, we will have far more versatility and far more freedom of what we can actually power up. Although we've only activated a fraction of the house, already we can see the enormous potential of the solar power. This whole solar experience has made us strong advocates for solar. We don't actually see any other way of living, quite frankly.
So we're powering up with the tui solar nest. We love it. It's
So it's going to run this whole household?
It'll run the whole house. We asked for it to be boosted up, so we've got the extra battery. We didn't want a generator. We want to stay right off the grid.
Yeah.
We've put the wash house on power so we can get going. We're pretty happy. We think we've got the right gear with the right job, with the right house. And
Yeah, it's the perfect kit for this house.
yeah, we believe so. If I could do this again, I would have started 20 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah. That's it.